lad, when I kick you from where I'm mobile, and you go land half a tree. Kick you from mobile half a tree, you land. Jano star. Adi, you took the place at me. Bam! What's up guys, your boy Ty there, back with another reaction video for you all. Now this is to the XXXTENTACION and featuring what? Kimani, Marley, Stefflon and Adija Palmer, the girl boss, Vybz Kartel. You don't know things that already people. This was like unexpected. Nobody never expect this. I definitely, me, never expect this. I know nobody never expect this, yo. It's trending #1 in Jamaica right now. It's trending number 42 in America right now. And it's trending in Canada. And it's trending everywhere. We know that you're not England because Stefflon and go from England, right? Obviously. It's trending everywhere. Nobody never expect this, yo. Looking at X pass away. R.I.P. X. Cartel in prison. Stefflon down there. Where at England? Kimani Marley, son of Bob Marley. Nobody don't expect. Anyways, enough chattings. Enough chattings. Let me get the reaction started, people. First of all, let's look on the thumbnail and the visuals at the farm. We took a change from the Jamaican flag and everything. Only I go see screen and call this too, but Jano. Royalty. This is Kimani Marley. But see if we can like split up the differentiate who are who. You understand? Because honestly I never heard X pan a Jamaican track before, and this instrumental have the Jamaican flow, the reggae vibes to it. You know what I mean? Someone your X that sound on it. Unless I never listen to the song yet. Yeah, clip inside, I never listen to it yet. No, it's tough though. Cartel part, but alright. So Kimani part go on. Now so what X are coming there now. You see me? Never hear X pan a track like this before enough people. So we'll see what I go on now. You know the typical, you know say any international actor that try sing like with a Jamaican collaboration, they try to try to say the same thing them what Jamaicans are try sing them song, or Caribbean people try singing for them song. You understand me? You know hear them talk about big up your and them something there. And buy house and carry me. You hear them say it in but him a try to say it in a way like everybody are doing it. Why you not stick to yourself, be yourself, X. I let me know say be himself. Nobody not bash me in a people, but that's my opinion. You know? Anyway, ready? Big up you, young man Kingston. Everyone and money wanna hear me on this one. Man, it's cool to the shit change. Wanna use me for the money and the cause you the big range. It's funny how shit change. Alright, me and my being self in a wall and I have to go back a little because I kind of get. I never hear what I say good a while like hold on. Never hear what I say a while ago. Big up you, like you're and me up. Use bad man for the break when they might get you. Big up you. Alema Kingston, you see me as I'm shout out Kingston, shout out to girl Alema Kingston, like Miss Jamaica, yo. Miss all I know, Miss Jamaica, Miss all them girl. Man, go back home. Big up me. Everyone and money wanna hear me on this one. So you can go back to the theme Vybz writer, so you understand it's like X Vybz writer, so you go back in a theme, John, theme. Yo, I don't know what I'm talking already. You know, there you go. Ah, yeah. Yeah, man, that tough. Him tough. Him do thing. Him do thing. Him do thing. X never fail it still. So, we all know this. X never fail it. Never. Like, man, you have the chorus lock. As in, you say, royalty. Some people say loyalty, but a royalty, you say. Who next? Stefflon? Hola, 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 hola. Now Stefflon, I really, honestly, when I really Stefflon done sang them people, honestly, when I really love, but go back and see what she did for him. I can want you, what, Here comes Stefflon. Done. I can see what she do now on the track. I did a palm one year, Stefflon. Come here, Steffi. Think she attack. Now repeat what she said. Woman, come here. Hold on. Trends. What? She has said trends. She has. Oh, and I need a bubble upon the ends. Think she has. I had it. Yo. Whoa. Adija Bob. Very boss. You must have Adi slack, you know. Girl, the script it a while ago, I'm here today. No, Adija Farmer slack, you know. So, we try to go through those. So, what are you going on now? Cartel. Cartel. Why you slap, brother? Listen. Everybody, sing them thing and them bit clean little bit, you know. Cartel come big body fat, brother. No, man. This come like the Sunfest thing. Everybody come out perform a Sunfest. Matter Sunfest 2019, you know. Everybody perform them, they clean, you know. As Javelani come up on stage, be a BBC. Like police like a thing for the people. Everybody don't get to perform. Anyway, back to it. Remember that song there? Yeah, we never been that. There you go. Listen now, get that something there again. Plus, blend. Yo, so that means that so long the song you make from there, you realize how long time the song you make there. You don't realize what's going on, right? So. Adi bad man, Adi bad. Wow, ready back Adi. Ready back Adi. Obviously, Cartel are the baddest on the track right now. And who agree or who disagree, Cartel are the best on the track right now. But don't talk. Well, listen good enough. Listen keen, XXXTENTACION. Whatever you want. Listen keen. Listen keen. We can't work the army, why like Irani, man, grimy, can't style the parry, man, XXXTENTACION, pull up on the lens like taxi, man, not spray, cause won't be spray. The place at the place at ready for no fairy tale, no Alice, no Peter Pan. The place at the Voila. When I kick you from where Moby and you go land half a tree. Kick you from Moby half a tree you land. John Star. Adi, you took the place at me. No one hear about that party. Come in top and watch it. Kick you from Moby half a tree you land. Kick you from Moby. You know far Moby there from half a tree young. Adi, you got 3 hard that's for Adi man. No man. When you touch the like button on the video, comment on the thoughts on the song people. Comment on the thoughts. Jaja. Out there. Yo. Hey, that's the song. It done. It done. It done right there, sir. It done right there, sir. Jaja. I didn't never level, no. Jaja, I'm not put. Yo, when touch the like button on the video and comment on the talks on the song. You see me I say. I guess I YouTube. We not got tired to see me face.